Last time I said that build is going to start in autumn, but now we have our first part for the project in local post office. So let's get that and start this project. So we are fitting these today. These came from Dan Moto, and you can already see that there is something to say. These holes doesn't line at all, so I need to make those a little bit bigger to fit this carbon heel guard. The other one fits well, and also they have like small bruises, or how to say it. So not the perfect quality, but these were only like couple hundred dollars, so these are cheap and also made in China, so what you can expect. Yeah, let's fit these. So let's start from the easier one, which is this side. I was thinking about that, what are these links for? I really don't know, but the new Rearsets have these also. I don't know, maybe I took them off because I can't see any purpose for these. For some reason my phone stopped filming. I don't know why, but here are the foot pegs. Foot pegs are now installed, and this is what they look. They're looking kinda nice, but I really cannot recommend these Danmoto foot pegs. There was like lots of problems with these. I need to make a spacers for here to fit this cylinder, because if I fitted that straight, this part wouldn't be in line with this link. So really wouldn't recommend this. And the small problems with also the spring here for the brake light. And I didn't put any spring here yet. I will maybe order that from eBay, but for now it could stay like that. I decided to move those silencers to here. I think they look a lot better here than in back section of bike. Also, I removed those passenger foot pegs, and now the tail looks way smaller, in my opinion. Holes of the foot pegs, I put some plugs there so the water doesn't go inside of the frame. Everything is now fitted and I'm on a test drive. These rear sets feel pretty good. I don't have to adjust those anymore. And I did leave one spring out of that silencer, or out of both silencers, because we didn't have a welder just right now and can't weld those. And that's the bracket we made for the brake valve. In these Rearsets, gearing feels kinda, I don't know how to say it, but it's like stiff or something like that. We did that piece there for the fairing. It became pretty nice. You can even see it from far. It's pretty good. And also we painted those grilles black under the headlight to match that fairing grill down there. Yeah, became pretty good.